Märklin is a German toy company which was founded in 1859 and it is based at Göppingen in Baden-Württemberg. Although it originally specialized in dollhouse accessories, today it is best known worldwide for model railways and technical toys. Today I'm visiting the museum, which is located next to the historic manufacturing building. The entrance fee to the museum is 10 euros for adults and 6 euros for children and teenagers. A more than 100 square meter model railway layout can be admired on 2 levels and still continues taking shape, as in the next years new sections will be exhibited to the visitors. Have an exclusive look at the model builders while working on the new sections and experience close how detailed model building can be. Products from the entire company history are presented on well over 1000 square meters of exhibition space. Interactive media technology and creative staging turn the märklin history into captivating experiences. In 1893, Märklin's first stationary steam engine was smoking in children's playrooms. On 3 legs, with a vertical boiler, it powered a carousel. Fascinated boys could explore this technology while playing. Märklin built around 400 different stationary steam engines in 60 years. In 1955 appeared for the last time a steam engine in the catalogue of Märklin. Since the beginning of the motor-powered vehicles on 4 wheels, Märklin is producing in many scales detailed models from passenger and racing legend cars to heavy trucks and steam-powered utility vehicles. The first prototypes of flying machines from the beginning of the aviation, became also märklin model toys, fascinating children of all ages and telling how the dream of flying became true. Märklin is present at the water and underwater vehicle models too. Some of the exhibited models at the märklineum are inspired from the warships and submarines of the First and Second World War. In the 160 years of its existence as company, Märklin has developed from a small factory for tin toys to a producer of high-quality metal toys known around the world. Today, Märklin is the world's leader for all important gauges in the model railroad market. No other manufacturer offers the possibility of adding to existing layouts and collections over the course of many years and of expanding systematically. Märklin is responsible for the creation of several popular model railway gauges. In 1891, Märklin designed gauges 1 to 5 as standards for toy trains and presented them at the Leipzig Toy Fair. They soon became international standards. Märklin's products are mainly German model trains. However, Märklin also produces Swiss, Dutch, American and various other model trains from around the world. Märklin followed with zero gauge, H1 scale in 1935 and the diminutive Z scale 1 to 220 in 1972, the smallest in the world for decades under the name Mini Club. The scale of Z was assigned after the product line was introduced. Mini Club was developed as Märklin's answer to the Arnold Rapidos introduction of N gauge. Today, Märklin manufactures and markets trains and accessories in gauge 1, H0 scale and Z scale. In 1994, Märklin acquired the Nuremberg-based train manufacturer Trix, producing direct current operated H0 and N scale. Märklin's older trains are considered highly collectible, and Märklin's current offering enjoy premium status among hobbyists. In addition to the exhibition and the fascinating model railway system, you can also look into the glass assembly, the Märklin Live. From Tuesday to Friday between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. the gates are open between the exhibition and the final assembly of the locomotives several times a day, so that you can experience live how the detailed Maerklin models are assembled. The märklineum store. The steel construction resembles a locomotive set, so that the store itself is worth seeing. In it, many showcases present products from the companies Maerklin, Trix and LGB. In addition, all well-known manufacturers of accessories are in the range. Travel guests will find small gift ideas and souvenirs of their visit to the märklineum. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my vid, make a like and see you again in another video.